Christmas to you. What age you started earning? So you earning, I will say. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. So in today's video, it's a Q&A, the final yearly Q&A. So I have realized that within this 2 years of journey, me being in the platform itself, I haven't really introduced myself well in this platform. So I thought, why not to do a Q&A? So I have this 10 question that I figured out that I should answer. मैंने poll भी किया था Instagram पे, and this is a question mostly people have in their head, so I will do it right now. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. This is the final Q&A also. This is the yearly final Q&A as well as our final episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. I'm happy as well as sad at the same time that finally I can pull this series and you guys enjoyed. Occasionally you have DM'd me and texted me over comments or DMs. I really loved your messages. So the first question I have is introduce yourself. It's not basically a question, but rather I want to answer as in new people are joining, so I want to really introduce myself to them so that we can really connect. So hi, I'm Prakriti. I'm 24 years old. I just I'm post-graduated from Chandigarh University. I did my master's in biotechnology and my final year thesis was in cosmetics, related to cosmetic stuff, as in I am really passionate, you would say, and I'm really interested in the formulation and R&Ds of cosmetics. That is pretty much of my education. And lately, if I talk about my family, I belong from a huge joint family, and now currently we are in flat due to certain work related stuffs. Otherwise, my joint family से belong करती हूँ, and there we have almost we live 10 to 12 people together. So yeah, that's pretty much of my family background. Another thing I would like to say that I'm really passionate about making content, creating contents. I have performed many internships related to cosmetics R&Ds, and that's what fueled me to do come on this channel and talk about cosmetics and create makeups, because that's what I like. I love to do that. I love to talk about cosmetics and my life. I want to just fulfill my dreams and I want to show how you can do that with me. So that's pretty much of me being here on this platform and motivating you all, and also telling you all, sharing with you all my interest areas and what I like to do, because I personally am an introvert person. So I have very small friend circle, and I think that this is what we have, is a connection with my viewers, with my audience, as in I love to talk to them, and yes, I love to share what's the new products there in the market. So next question we have is your qualification and degree. Okay, so I have done my bachelor's from Amity University, Kolkata. So my course was BSc Biotechnology. Then I went to Punjab to complete my master's again in MSc Biotechnology, and I did it from Chandigarh University. So that is pretty much of my highest qualification. I'm masters, and this year itself I post-graduated, although I haven't really got the degree in hand. वो भी अभी भी बाकी है ceremony, but yeah. So the next question is, at what age you started earning? So I started earning in the year 2020-21 from the month March itself. So I was 20 years old so particularly concentrating on the age here, what age you have started. I had started at the age of 20 years of age. I started earning in a form of internship. So basically, and still now itself, I have this internships going on that make me earn a little bit. So that is the third question. Next, your first income. My first income was itself from the internship, and it was 5K. So मैं internship करके I used to get 5K. It was during the lockdown time. मेरा classes भी रहता था, so I used to do my classes on this Zoom या फिर Teams में. Sorry, Teams में होता था classes. Then in between also after the classes being over, I used to sit for my internship work. It was a proper 10 to 5 p.m. मतलब मैं classes भी करती थी and at the same time I used to work. So yeah, it was crazy. But now when I think about it, it's like how I did it, but somehow I pulled it. So yeah, my first income was 5K. And moving to the next question, we have describe life as a content creator. Okay, so I tell you, so if I have to describe my life as a content creator, I do not see it as my career. मैं कभी भी इसको as a proper source of earning या फिर जिसको career बोलते हैं, I don't see like that. It's like a passion. I have always said on this platform itself, it's a very much of passion project. Being I'm passionate about cosmetics and cosmetology in general, so I'm passionate about the subject. Talking about perspective of a content creator, yes, I love filming. I love talking to people. I love talking to the camera, and I feel great. I am utilizing my time as much as I am studying and preparing for my higher studies. At the same time, I can in my leisure period I can sit down and create beautiful stuffs right there that really resonate as well as align with my study area of study. So that's how I can tell you how my life as a content creator. I cannot tell you the perspective of other content creator right there, but I find it very fun, exciting, as long as it fuels my passion. I really love doing that, and it feels me motivated. And now I'm getting work, I can really think of investing more time on the platform, because I'm a part-time content creator rather a full-time. I do not do it as a full-time. I have to pay my bills. I have to have really other sort of income going on. Otherwise, I cannot be here on this platform. This platform does not really pay you well initially. You have to do a 4-5 years मेहनत करो. I'm talking about me. मतलब मेरे जैसे जो भी content creators हैं जो they are starting without any background. Next time, if you are lucky, you will be getting within a 1 year, but I have invested only 2 years. Having said that, I have started my channel in 2020-21, but roughly 2 years I invested on this platform, and now I am here. So this is my pretty much a life of a content creator if I talk about me. Next question is being Bengali. Acha, I got this question. Being Bengali, why don't you make content on your mother tongue? First thing is that I never thought, because see, when I started my journey, when I started this channel, I was more inclined to certain kind of YouTubers right there. I used to watch a lot of foreign YouTubers, rather to say, and a lot of Indian YouTubers whose base are on English and English kind of content they used to make. So that inspired me. And if I tell you, I'm not really I can really converse in Bengali nice and well, but not to an extent ki wo as in proper when you understand people, when you make understand people, या फिर जैसे proper Bengali में I can't talk. So this is the most comfortable language of mine. I really, and also even in my home I converse with my dad in English itself, and I never thought that this will be a problem. And obviously any content creator for that matter wants to make their content a worldwide thing. So why not? Why to restrict myself? Then I never thought of really into it that what should I do and what should I not. And somewhere I feel like when I see this question and when I see my life, I can relate, as in I have studied at various places where English is like the medium where we can communicate. Like, so in my friend circle there are various people from South Indian, Bengali, Assamese, then Gujarati, Punjabi. So I cannot really learn every language. So English was the only common language through which we can talk, either otherwise Hindi. So my channel is basically a English kind of, English and Hindi dono hi chalta hai. So that's pretty much of me not doing contents in Bengali, but I do not really mind but तुमको ही सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा if I start doing it in Bengali because I'm not that really well versed. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next question, it says that, okay, this question was taken before changing my channel's name. So my channel name was, it says why your channel name is Nature's Hub. So now my channel name is on my name itself, Prakriti, and initially I came to my channel name as in Nature's Hub. So the thing is that I do not wanted to make it on my name itself, my channel, as in I wasn't sure that I will do this, I will follow my passion and I will be creating. It's like I will do for 1 year and see if I can, if I cannot, because I was learning editing by the time and I thought that it will be fun to make videos on YouTube. Now that I'm really passionate about because my study and these things align, so I thought I can take it seriously. So and Nature's Hub, coming to the point, is that my name is Prakriti and my friends call me Nature all the time, so that's how Nature's and Nature's Hub, that's how it linked. So my name is Nature, that's why it was. So that was pretty much why my channel's name was initially Nature's Hub. Next question is, how much is your YouTube earning? Okay, so it's a very much tricky question, as in if I say what is my YouTube earning, I will say zero. So मैं YouTube के AdSense से कुछ भी नहीं कमाती हूँ. So recently I have just crossed 1K subscribers. I have another criteria to fulfill, that is 4,000 watch hours within a year. That criteria is not yet fulfilled, but on the verge of like fulfilling. So as in AdSense, मैं AdSense से YouTube से कुछ भी नहीं कमाती हूँ. But there is a thin line, that is that I sometimes do UGCs. A lot of time I told about that journey, not really in terms of मैंने vocally उसको बोला, but never really shown you that in terms of UGC and in terms of collaborations. Lucky enough, me getting paid collaboration also, that makes me earn a little bit. So अगर मैं YouTube के AdSense से पैसे नहीं भी कमा रही हूँ, I am earning via these two things that I've told. Till now, I'm not really comfortable sharing the exact amount in form of, numbers, but I can tell you that I can enough कि मैं इस platform पे sustain कर सकती हूँ. I think this is a very okay. So let me give it a breakdown in case if you are wanting to start a channel and if you are really passionate about कि तुमको proper as in earning भी चाहिए होगा इस platform से. So let me tell you, if you work properly like 1 year ऐसे 2 years तुम ऐसे पूरा consistency maintain करके करते हो, तो you can do enough कि you can sustain yourself nice and well. As in whatever the investment I am doing, I have done a proper investment on YouTube video. कैसे आपको करना चाहिए क्या है, in this video you can see. And yeah, so that is pretty much of the things I am comfortable sharing with you all now. Hopefully next year things changes and I can tell you in exact numbers accordingly. But yeah, moving to the second last question is that how much you need to invest on your channel. So this is a particular question. I have made a dedicated video on it. You can really see where I have told you how much money I have invested on this channel and how you can think of really do not really invest a lot in this platform, because it's about ki sometimes it's your luck and as well as your mehnat. So if one of the things is really setbacks, then so it will be really hard for you to make the get the investment money back. So invest accordingly. I have made this dedicated video on it. Do check out, and yeah, that is pretty much of the investment. And the last question is that how you film your videos, which format you prefer, the long form of content or short form, LC or SC. So although I have answered this question in this video right here, that how I film my videos and which type of prefer, but I still want to say that long form of content is the one I really like, as I really love to explain things. अगर मैं shorts भी बना देती हूँ ना, मुझे लगता है कि कई things I haven't really spoken and पूरा complete नहीं लगता है मेरे ख्याल से. And I love making ऐसे sit down videos, also vlogs I till not really correct it, I know, but I will come. I will come back. But ऑलवेज प्रेफरेबल। शॉर्ट्स में तुमको मनी वाइज भी रिटर्न वाइज भी उतना नहीं मिलेगा एज लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ कंटेंट। सो एडसेंस से जब आपको पैसे भी मिलता है ना, वो लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट्स में ज्यादा मिलता है। व्हाट आई हैव स्टडीड टिल नाउ, मुझे भी पर्टिकुलरली नहीं पता, बट स्टिल आई कैन टेल यू इफ यू आस्क माय प्रेफरेंस एनी डे लॉन्ग टर्म। एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट हाउ ट्रेंड्स कम्स ऑन चेंजिंग ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। ट्रेंड्स आया, ट्रेंड्स गया, so you have to sustaining on this platform need to make you do both type of contents, long form, short form. My personal favorite will be always long form videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you love this video. I hope you love the Q&A and a little bit of insights, and that also end the Vlogmas 2020-24. So Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you are enjoying this Christmas and Happy New Year. So I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.